Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we are going to see that Binance Future launches a limited edition of NFTs. Okay, so they are giving away currently each day 300 NFTs. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in this video how you can register and what you need to do to get your token. Okay, I mean claim your token, and you can directly claim it to your trust wallet. Okay, so here you can see, so once you open your Binance, okay, on top here you can see this thing will be available. And before that, if you don't have Binance, I'll be leaving that link in the description. Just click on that and just install your Binance thing. Okay, so if you don't have it, in case if you are having, it's fine, just open your Binance account and just click this. Okay, so once you click this, here you can see trade Binance futures to win Binance limited editions NFTs. Okay, you just need to trade futures to win this NFTs. Okay, it's very simple. I'm gonna show you in this video how you can trade in futures. Okay, it's very simple. You must have some funds. Okay, so beforehand what you need to do, just click on that, and then after that it will open up like this. Okay, and then here you can see register. Okay, just click on that. So if you click on the register, it will automatically sign up, and then here you can see I have already registered, but before that it will be showing like this only. Okay, so it will show up like this, register. Just click on it, and then it will ask you to enter your BSC address. Okay, then open your trust wallet, just open your BNB, that smart chain thing, and then just click receive and click copy. Okay, copy the address. So after you copying the address, come back here and paste your address, and then just click confirm registration. Okay, so once you do that, and that's it, done. BSC address registered successfully. Okay, and why we are using trust wallet, here you can see use trust wallet to receive your first NFT. Okay, lucky box, registered users who achieve a certain trading volume get a matchable lucky draw chance to pick one out of 4 lucky boxes. Okay, and get the results immediately. Binance distributes the rewards to the registered BSC addresses of the winners. Ensure to register the correct BSC address, or rewards cannot be successfully distributed. Binance takes no responsibility to send it again. Okay, so send your correct address. Okay, BSC address in this one. Okay, you just open your trust wallet and just copy the address and paste it here. That's it. So and then after you do this, and your address got successfully registered, and now what you need to do, you must have some balance in your Binance account. Okay, so for example, this is my wallet. In my wallet I'm currently having in my spot account $109. Okay, so how we can send this dollar into futures, and how we can trade, I'm gonna show you in this video itself. Now itself I'll show you. So for that you must have some money in your wallet. Okay, spot account. And then if you just click this overview, here you can see USD M futures. Okay, and coin futures. So we'll do this in USD M futures. Okay, so just click on this, and if you click on this, here you can see, don't worry, it looks kind of difficult, but it's very simple. Here you can see transfer, just click on it, and here you can just click a maximum. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are transferring our money from our spot wallet to USD M futures. Okay, and then just click transfer, and that's it. Our money transferred to futures. Okay, and now how you can trade. Okay, just click this overview and then come back. Okay, so after you come back here, you can see market. Okay, just click on the market, and on top here you can see futures. Okay, just click on futures, and now here you can see these are the futures. Okay, so you can choose any of these kinds. Okay, this kind I'm seeing, it kind of looks like it's gonna go down, so I'm going to sell now. Okay, so just I'm going to sell short. I'm just giving confirm. So that's it, my order took place, and it's very risky guys, but be like know what you are doing. Okay, that is when, see, now itself I'm in the loss of $5, and now $6. It's keep on going. So anything can happen now. Now you can see, okay, lively you can see, but the value will surely come down. So I'll just pause and take my profit now. So now you see, currently in the profit of $2, I'm just going to take it. So that's it, I just took my profit. Okay, so this is how you can do trading. And if you just check your balance, the balance will be little more high. I guess I got $1.50. Okay, So here you can see extra $1 I got it. Okay, before this 110 I was having, now 111. Okay, so future is very risky, but before trading, get a proper guidance. Actually, it's very simple also, like if you are just scalping from the market, it's very simple if you know how to trade. Like if you would have done trading in stock market itself, it will help you by doing price action trading. And basically guys, I just scalped a little bit of amount, just $1, and like that we can do. So this is how you can do trading, I mean futures. And if you want me to make a live trading video for futures in the future, you just comment below and let me know guys. I'll be happy to make a video, like trading video, how you can do a successfully and nice strategy I'll be giving you to trade on futures. Okay, it's very simple, at the same time risky and huge profit. Okay, so that's it. So this is what they are telling to do us. And then if you just open that Binance future thing, here you can see, okay, the campaign period is like May 7th to and May 7th uh, to 16th. Okay, May 7th to May 16th. Okay, so this is the time period. And then Binance has minted 3000 limited editions of NFTs as a reward for our achieve. Futures traders, eligible traders have great chance to win full sets of NFTs. Okay, so users who complete daily futures trading volume of over 0 USD across USDTM futures and CoinM futures trading pairs, okay, for register for the activity. So we just registered and we are doing the activities now, and we'll get at least one lucky draw ticket to open a lucky box. Okay, each day rents out. And to the just timing, here you can see UTC. If you just put on the your time and UTC, and you'll get your exact time what is UTC means. Okay, so just click the lucky box, and here you can see this is like we just need to register again. It will straight away to take you to registering only. So that's it, pretty much I've covered everything. This is what you need to do, just register and then start trading in futures, and you will be able to get the eligibility to get the NFTs. Okay, and before trading in futures, be careful, don't put lot of amount like me, like $100 is very risky. Just put $10 and do trading with it. And then, because it's very risky guys, with $10 itself you will be able to get $20, not $20, $5, $6 like that. Okay, so it's very risky. I'm telling you again and again, it's very risky, but do everything at your own risk. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget guys, if you want me to make a separate video for how to trade on futures, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, and huge giveaway is coming. Okay, upcoming videos giveaway, I've made a plan and I've done some work also behind it. So I'll be making a giveaway video, and don't forget to watch that video also. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.